Okay, 2007 Topps Performance Football. 2 autographs and 1 autograph relic in every box. Looking for something extremely good out of this product here. You get 1 pack in there. 1 super premium 16 card pack. We'll see how super premium it is here in just a second. Alright, we got a Wes Welker, Plaxico Burress. These are all the base cards. Willis McGahee, Joey Galloway, and we got a Kurt Warner. Here's a triple jersey of Anthony Gonzalez for the Colts. Alright, so we'll go from the back now for some base cards of Greg Jennings, Brian Westbrook, Maurice Jones-Drew, Santonio Holmes. Well, here's an autograph jersey of Yaman Figures for the Baltimore Ravens. It's not a bad looking card. Here's another autograph. Tony Romo, Dallas Cowboys. So that's a pretty decent card right there for any Cowboys fans. Pretty pitiful autograph, but hey, what can you do? Well, we got another autograph here. Greg Olsen for the Bears. That's not too bad of a card. Alright, we already seen the Tony Gonzalez triple jersey, so then we got Delman Young. Selvin Young, sorry, Delman Young is football. That one's numbered at 359. Brian Leonard, numbered out of 199. And last card was a Frank Gore, numbered 6 out of 10. So that's a pretty nice card as well. Okay, so overall not too bad of a box. Thanks everybody.